Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Chat GPT Widget on Samsung Galaxy A16. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search. And now you can click install. Now you can click open and click on this button to skip your introduction, then click not now and click open permissions. Now you have to select AI assistant to allow this app to appear on top, and then click back and click start. And as you can see right here, there's my Chat GPT widget, and I can open him and I can tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded. And if you want to remove him from your screen, simply drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.